they find it very few, and the first thing they realize is someone foreigner is coming. I don't know why they don't believe it. Even the foreigners, when I was in Ladakh, when I was going towards from Manali to Leh, I had just stopped over somewhere, and I never carried watch.
Okay.
So I was asking this biker who was Israeli,
Okay.
and I asked him the time, and he just asked me, "Are you going towards Ladakh on this cycle? And you are an Indian?"
Okay.
I don't know. I was just what to say,
Okay.
speechless.
Uh-huh.
I don't know why they have such kind of. I really want to tell that this is not so difficult. It is 70% is totally mental.
Yeah.
It is not about physical or something like that.
True.
30%, yes, you have to be fit, but it's all about your willpower and mental thing. It totally is mental. If you want to do it, you will do it. People might get bored, in between or something like that.
Yeah.
But that is the thing. That
That's
is
where
the
your
limit you
willpower-
have to
that's where your willpower
cross or
comes in.
something like that.
True.
So it always, I don't know why, but yeah, it's a unique thing, but it was great.
You
great
sure are
experience.
unique. There's no second doubt about it. I've hardly come across any people, specifically from Indian origin, who are ready to take such drastic steps and set an example.
No, they do take. There are many Indians. Many are maybe they are not being marketed, or I would say
Not
they are not
publicized.
publicized. Something like that. That is the thing. What I want to, there is a website called IndianCyclist.in.
Okay.
Please visit that website. Whoever is listening. There is also a group called Everyday Rides, Every
Okay.
Night Rides.
Okay.
So what they do is in different localities. What we are trying to do as group is someone should take an initiative, and every night at a particular time, a group of cyclists should gather and cycle for an half an hour or 1 hour, and they should try to promote it and try to get more and more people into it. So it is not about doing an event or something like that. We have to bring cycling into commuting. It has to be commuting. At least for 1 or 2 kilometers, we should do that. I would rather say the more stress should be on a public transport.
Yeah.
We should
Yeah,
try
we
to
have-
ask
we have
government
facilities.
to make it more efficient rather than having our own
True,
cars.
true.
Or yes, there are some groups who are asking for separate lanes for cycling, but I would rather say separate lanes for public transport.
That's a
That
very
is
noble
more
thought.
practical,
Very noble thought. Very
because
noble thought.
it is really difficult for if you want to get up in the morning and travel on cycle to the office.
Yeah.
Maybe for some people it is about status.
Yeah.
Maybe, I
Yeah.
don't know. I
Yeah.
won't judge on it.
Yeah.
But we have to also focus on this thing. The public transport, we have to get it more and more efficient. But cycling is best, I would say.
Lovely thought. Lovely thought. And again, now from Leh, we move on to Kanyakumari. Now tell us something about that trip, Mumbai to Kanyakumari.
Yeah, that was this was done in January 2010.
Okay.
What the thought was, since I was working, I took this privileged leave. So my thought was that I'll be planting a tree wherever I go,
Okay.
and that was the reason I wrote in my letter to my boss.
Okay.
And he was surprised. He's taking leave for this.
Okay.
And he told me, why don't you approach the HR and then approach people?
Yeah.
They will support you.
Okay.
And I went to Nariman Bacha. He's one of our members in Godrej and Boys. He looks after this activities, and he suggested me, why don't you go to HN Daruwala, who is vice president of Godrej and Boys Electrical Division.
Okay.
At that time I just wrote a letter, 5 lines, 6 lines, what I want to do, and he was so happy. In just 2 minutes he told, I am going to support you. That's
Wow.
it. And that was a great thing. He's a vice president. I don't know him and he doesn't know me. I am just an employee.
Wow.
And that also of a different sector. Godrej Infotech is totally different
Totally
from Godrej and Boys Electrical Division.
Okay.
So he doesn't know me and he just say, I will support you. And that was a great thing. He supported me. People appreciated me wherever I was trying to, it was the campaign was about save energy and save earth.
Yeah.
Looking for different alternatives.
True.
And I was also showing the clips of 11th Hour, the movie,
Yeah.
to them. And I was highly appreciated, and I don't know, I felt really great. And some people told that this is the first time someone from head office is passing this message, because Godrej really promotes green and everything.
True.
But it was great to find someone coming from there and passing this message. So from that I got this inspiration. Why only Godrej? We have to spread this to each and every individual, because it does not depend on single NGO or different NGOs or a government. We cannot depend on it. This can only happen when every individual contributes.
True.
And I'm really stressing on it. Every individual.
It's that first step that needs to be taken, and then probably people get the confidence and then support
I feel
you.
cycling or planting trees or protecting forest or doing not littering, these are the simple
Basic
basic things
sense,
we can do. These are the least we can do.
Yeah.
Like animals, they don't work
Yeah.
for their food.
True.
They might be working 1 hour a day in 24 hours for their food,
Yeah.
and they live happily.
Happily, yeah.
And they live happily, and we are working 12 hours, we are still not
Still
happy.
not happy.
And we are working 14 hours, still not happy. I don't know why.
Yeah.
Then there are a lot of things.
Very important
And the
lesson
thing is
there.
that the fruit, I'm promoting this concept. This is not my concept. These all things are universal. This is also in our religions.
Okay.
Like seed bank project, which
Yeah.
I'm promoting.
Yeah.
What does our fruits tell?
Yeah.
Animals know them better. They eat it
Yeah.
through their droppings.
Yeah.
We just have to protect for us. From the seeds come on their body,
Yeah.
through the ticklings they just drop. And when there was no human being on this planet,
Yeah.
there were still trees.
True.
So we don't have to teach nature how to grow, how to
True.
reproduce. They know how to do it.
True.
We have to just live with it.
True.
Just to add on,
Yeah.
I heard this news somewhere that a branch of a tree fell on the a girl,
Okay.
and her both legs were amputated.
Oh my.
And then there was a rule that we should cut off all the branches. And then I don't know why can't we
Yeah.
live with trees?
This is a one-off incident. This can happen
I know,
anywhere.
this was so disgusting. After such an incident, we are taking such a decision. And when I don't know, even cycling, when we find so many accidents in our paper, cars, trains, planes, do we stop flying? Do we stop going in car?
True.
Yes, the ratio
Yeah.
people traveling on cycle is very less.
Yeah.
But still, if you take the people traveling on cycle and then you take into the account how many accidents they have faced,
Yeah.
I'm sure not I don't
Probably
know.
you can't compare it with motorcyclists.
I mean,
or-
0.00001, not so many, and that I don't know why not cycling. So
It's,
that is the main thing. This IndianCyclist.in, then Every Night Rides. This is a
Okay.
group which is promoting to bring cycling into everyday life.
Okay.
Then there are groups like Framo.
Mm-hmm.
What they are doing is, giving cycles on rent.
Mhm.
This is a Framo
Wow.
it is in Thane.
Okay.
It is trying to build concept. It is trying to approach societies. Why don't you rent 10 cycles, and whoever can cycle, or something like 350 per cycle for a month.
That's very cheap.
Because the problem is when someone buys a cycle, he keeps it, it rusts. So it only works good when we use it all the
Yeah.
time. If we keep it, then it rusts.
It's
So
gone.
if you visit all the society, there will be cycles, but
Yeah.
they will be rusted.
True.
That's the thing. So we have to bring this concept.
Yeah, I've seen that. The cyclists are just lying in the lobby, untouched for God knows
Ah.
5 to 10 years at a stretch.
Yes.
And suddenly one day you will realize that I had this bike. I don't know how many times I pleaded to my mom and dad that get me that bike, get me that bike.
Yes, great.
So
Yes.
great that
Yeah,
you're bringing
yes.
back and some discussion on this movie because I read that it's a 11th Hour, the movie that you're promoting. Now, it's a very sensitive film directed by Nadia Connors and Lena Connors Peterson and narrated by everybody's favorite Leonardo DiCaprio.
Produced by him, I think.
Produced by him, yeah. So I saw the footage and it was really touching how they've managed to rope in even scientists like Stephen Hawkins, who's very well renowned, and he's spoken about the global warming and various other concerns that we are facing. And as you rightly mentioned just a few minutes back, how we can accommodate nature rather than disturbing it, and we can live alongside nature like friendly neighbors.
We have to actually.
We have no
yes.
other option. True.
Nice.
So obviously, Mother Nature, we need to please her and try and do anything and everything. So just tell me, how did you come across this particular movie? Because it was unheard of till the time you promoted it. Probably I have not in the Indian scenario, or at least a year and a couple of years. I haven't really heard this coming out from anybody's mouth because they speak about all the various commercial movies. This is a blockbuster, that is the latest Hollywood film hitting the market. But this is a very sensitive topic that needs to be put across to people, and you've brought it in the limelight. So, how did you come across this movie?
Again, because I was very much concerned about the nature, I
Yeah.
was just going through it, and
Yeah.
I love documentaries, something like that. So not only these based on environment, everything. I love documentaries. So I
Okay.
was going through this. I saw this Inconvenient Truth by Al Gore,
Okay.
and then I came across this movie. And of course, the first thought was Leonardo DiCaprio is producing it.
Yeah, people
let's
probably
see.
know him from the Titanic times.
Yes. And then I saw the movie. Then I felt nothing. This movie is, there are more than 50 scientists. They have dedicated their whole lives, trying to promote, please support nature. We have to live with nature.
Yeah.
And they have documented it so well. They have told what are the issues. And at the end, if you watch the whole movie,
Yeah.
they have given the solutions.
Solutions.
Yes, it is not that everywhere there is negative things.
Yeah.
We are doing it.
Yeah.
There are many scientists who are working very hard on daily basis. How to bring sustainability, how to bring, if you want to build buildings, how to build green buildings, something
Green,
like concept.
eco-friendly.
There are many things.
Yeah.
But I would say cycling and planting a tree is the least what we can do.
Yeah, yeah.
Otherwise, alternative solutions will be found out, because
like
one day
taking
there will be no fuel,
True.
of course. But I'm sure about that. But that is how it will go.
Yeah. So,
But these are the basic things,
Mhm.
and this is the right time. And I would say this is the time has almost passing by.
yeah. I before I touch upon a very important point that was made in the movie,
Hmm?
I came across, and there was this footage of solar panels also being used.
Yes.
Now that is again the high-end solution that you were talking about.
Okay.
So you have the basic steps, you have the again advanced steps, or probably steps that the government can step into.
Mhm.
So again, definitely a very good movie. I must recommend this movie to all my listeners. So if you are listening to me, 11th Hour is a very must-watch movie that Weber Desai has been promoting. And trust me, you'll not regret this movie. And it's better than most of the movies that you've been seeing. It
Yes.
comes with a message, it comes with the cause of concern, and also with the remedial action that needs to be taken. And before I just conclude this topic on this movie, because I was really touched by this movie, there was a very well put across line that not only it is the 11th hour, but it's 11:59.
Yes.
So
Yes.
that's how close we are to destructing Mother
Mhm.
Nature. Terrific stuff there. Thank you, Weber, for bringing this movie to our notice.
One thing to add,
Yeah.
the solar panels, those are not the high-end solutions. Yes, again, they are also made from that silicon,
Yeah.
which is very, again, taking from the nature.
Mm.
But the thing is that solar panels can be used easily.
Mm.
But you can see in that movie, people dancing in the disco,
Yeah.
and they are jumping,
Uh,
and below that there is, because of their mechanical energy is converted into electric energy.
True.
So there are so many things going on, and
Mm.
you get surprised. People are dancing, and below that flow there is something which is converting mechanical energy to electric. And even about the solar panels which you are promoting, now I was happy to see in Karnataka,
Mm.
in these hotels they have this rule that they should have this solar water heater for
Yeah.
compulsory.
Yeah.
That is a good
I've
thing,
come across that. Yeah.
That is good thing.
Wow.
Yes.
That's probably the engineer in you speaking, the
Yeah.
conversion of mechanical to electrical. It's
Yes.
better to be intelligent in whatever you do.
Mm.
And
But the thing is that again about
Yeah.
this, in the movie it has been shown that the humans are also the cause of all this.
yeah.
But I would say, you have to do this. We have to live with nature, because ultimately it is not about saving nature. We are
Mm.
saving ourselves.
True.
See, Earth has been existing from, if you go into technical aspects,
Yeah.
Earth has been existing for millions of years.
Yeah.
Climate changes have been happening.
Yeah.
Global warming has been happening for different reasons.
Absolutely.
Today it is because of the pollution,
Yeah.
maybe because of something else. I don't know
Yeah.
technically.
Mm.
And extinction is the law of nature.
Yeah.
Humans are going to get extinct,
Yeah.
but the problem is
How long
we are,
can we prolong it?
we are helping,
Mm.
extinction for other species. That is a very bad thing. I don't know about the dinosaurs, but we
Mm.
are the first species.
Yeah.
We are, we are doing so much bad things that
Mm.
we are also not only getting ourselves extinct,
Mm.
but we are also getting extinct thousands of species.
Yeah.
So that is very bad.
True.
Uh,
So after
and
the
that has been
dinosaurs,
shown very good in the movie.
brilliantly,
Yeah.
I must say,
Yeah.
it's commendable the effort
Mhm.
taken by the people involved behind this movie. 11th Hour must-watch movie, and trust me, you have to take it that it's 11:59 on the clock and only 1 minute to save your Mother Nature. And probably least you can do is try and initiate this from your house itself. If you do it, probably you can then ask other people to be motivated to join you on the way and make this world a better place to live in. Now, coming back to a few things, your background. Now, we constantly say, just the word wow comes to my mouth when I hear that you've done your engineering.
Mm.
And